region and empire. Now we are going to see about the new empires which came into existence and what made them big or small and what were the distinctive characteristic of every empire. When we talk of the Cholas, the Tughlaqs and the Mughals, all of them were big, huge empires. And one of the source says that Balban had a large empire and everybody was threatened by his existence. It could be an exaggerated source, but one thing is for clear that all these were big, huge, mighty, powerful empires. And at this point of time, the empires which were made were all pan-regional in nature, that is spanning diverse regions. Of course, many of them were stable and other were unstable empires. At the onset of the 18th century, when the Mughal Empire started declining and becoming weak, it so happened that the regional states re-emerged. The small states started emerging, and it is here that the country did not have a unified, strong central authority, and there were small groups fighting and challenging with each other as to who would emerge victorious. In short, the period between 700 to 1750 was not a period wherein the history was made in isolation. There were various factors influencing the history. There were factors which changed the political, social, economic and religious sphere of the history. And this pan-regional forces kept on influencing the history of India, but without losing the distinctiveness of the culture. That's the beauty of the history of the period between 700 to 1750 AD.